At some point, I feel like we lost our way. How do y'all feel about how do y'all feel about subscription services? Gotta do that. If anybody knows a solution to that, that would be awesome. All right, let's go to our content level club interior. All right, people, don't freak out when you see the naked woman. Act like you've seen a naked woman before, please. So, my goal here today is to start working on their uh, their clothes, right? So right now I'm actually on Sketchfab. I guess I could do or Trader too. I might look that up too. But I'm just looking up. I'm actually trying to look up different, at least for the woman right now, lingerie outfits or uh, something that she can wear. I'm not trying to really pay. Oh, look at this stuff, though. This is a lot of provocative stuff. I don't like how that just popped up. Or whatever. Come on, bro. Let me get signed in first. I don't want y'all to look my stuff up, even though I don't really care. But okay, so they got a lot of stuff here. I wonder if I'll do like female, yeah, let's just say lingerie or something like that. Fishnet outfits. So right now we're just looking at different outfits. I'm not gonna go too explicit because I wonder can I find free. Okay, so I just want to get something really kind of free. I'm not trying to get nothing too crazy. Um, so yeah, I might just get this for right now, right? Um, so let's say we get this. Trying to see if they're great. All right, let's just try it out. So I'm gonna just download this right now. I know it seems like I'm on a weird site, but it's just animation stuff. Great. This stuff is. Oh no. All right. So I think this is like forcing it. Get you out of here. So that's what I'm doing. Also, no weirdo stuff. I don't know if I can show that on YouTube too. So let's just chill out. So get the OBJ. Uh, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up MetaTailor, right? I don't really even remember how to use MetaTailor like that because I haven't used it in a while. So forgive me. And this is where we're gonna give her some clothes. So what's the word? Just showing them my stuff. Please forgive the naked woman. We're gonna put clothes on her. She's just supposed to be a stripper right now. But this is my club. It's gonna be a strip club. There's a guy. He's gonna be our main character. So please forgive me for the naked woman. I'm not on no Diddy stuff. Not on Diddy. Not on Diddy time. No Diddy. I repeat, no Diddy. But right now, I'm working on making some clothes. Um, just trying to remember how to do this because I haven't did this in a while. So, so that's what we're working on. So we're going to yo, working on making some clothes. Put it on my mannequin. But I think let's see if I do could. Oh, okay. I think I could drag somebody in there. So if I go to uh, let's say I'm in my folder here, but if I go to Unreal Projects, right? Robbery one, content. If we go to MetaHumans, ecstasy, body, uh, oh yeah, he's wild for that. Charlemagne was wild. Fake, that's not it. Common, body, nope. Maybe that's not what I'm looking for. Cause I haven't did this in a while. So let me cook. Um, so let's do this. Let's try this out. 'Cause I think she's a regular woman fit. So now what we're gonna do? Oh, this is all the old clothes I had in here before. Okay. So I believe I could add some clothes in here. Just gotta remember how to do that. Okay. Mm, okay. So let me cook. I haven't did this in a while. It's pretty simple once you do it too. Import. There we go. So import some clothes. Oh yeah, I can import the avatar too. That's what it was. So I have my many humans MH. Okay, I can export her and put her into here, but I'm gonna actually not do that. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna import because I think I could put do it from here without having to put her in here. So we'll see though. I'm interested. I guess this is why we do it, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna export this from my folder. Extract all, extract. Okay. And now we're gonna lingerie, right? OBJ, yeah. And we're gonna bring this in here. All right. So this is what we have for right now. I'm interested to see how this is gonna work because it's a two-piece, so I wonder how this is gonna work with everything. Um, oh, you could bring the color in. So let's see if we can bring I'm not sure. Metal transparent roughness. All right, that's look like it's phenomenal. Okay, diffuse. Okay, so what we're gonna do? We're gonna add this in here. Open. We're gonna add. For sure, we know we can add the roughness in there. right? Roughness, metal, right? I don't think that has any emissiveness. Uh, right? And gorgeous lingerie one. So we'll put that in here. Let's just see what happens. Cause like I said, I haven't did this in a minute, so I gotta remember how to make this cook. So this is like more of a important. It's not a dress. What would you guys call this? More of like a full body? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Full body. That's what I would call it. Okay. Part of me feels like I should import her in here. I feel like I'm not doing this right. Probably should import her. So let me see something real quick. Again, act like you've seen a naked woman before, please. Because we're working on this. Just the beginning. I just got to remember how to export her specifically. Because I got this guy here too. Remember, she's the stripper. She's part of the story. So I'm not on no Diddy stuff. No Diddy. Just got to remember how to do this. Let me screenshot her. To export my metahuman. But this is a metahuman. How to export my metahuman into to my so into meta Taylor. Like I said, I haven't did this in a while, so I'm just trying to remember how to do this. But don't she look real? She looks really, 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 really real. That's what I like about this stuff. Find our body skeleton. So we gotta go to our body. Don't export the MetaHuman blueprint. Right. In the content folder, go to uh, your content browser. MetaHuman characters. And go to MetaHumans. Ecstasy. Body. Her body. If you find her, create her using MetaHuman. Okay. You created her using new MetaHuman creator. Open the MetaHuman character asset. Go to Epic Current Geometry Skeletal Mesh. Open Content Browser. Right click the body skeletal mesh. Skeletal mesh. Asset. Actions. Export. There it was. Yeah. I remember. Nope. We want to go to. Trying to remember how to do this. Well, where I put this at before. Uh, Animations, right? Many humans. Uh, yeah, I made a Summer Walker thing before, so that's what that really is. Huh. I'm gonna let this ride for right now, but something ain't right about that. Save it somewhere. Import it. Will it only have a body Oh, okay. Let me not do that. For what you made to though, I will actually change. That gives metadata that complete. Okay, here you aren't. MetaHuman. Okay, so your original meta full body FBA and UE. Trying to find a full body. Do do the entire full body. How do I export? Gotta walk through it. Oh boy. I feel like you can. Yep, since go to content browser, find a MetaHuman character asset, you use the creator, double click the MetaHuman character asset. So don't try to export. Let's see. This might get a little ramped up here. Probably got a lot running too, so we'll see. This start um getting weird. A little hot in this piece. Yeah, so remember, act like you guys seen a naked woman before. Okay, double click the MetaHuman character asset to open the MetaHuman character. Don't try to export the MetaHuman. Inside the MetaHuman creator, click export. Ah, yes. This is how you do it. You'll see three options. Heads. No, I don't see three options. Choose geometry. Yeah, that's how you do it. Uh, chooses the full body. Got it. Set the project path. Yes, this is looking familiar. Set a project path for a game. Okay, whatever. Run export and we'll create a skeleton mesh. Ah, yes. That's right. Again, act like you guys seen. Go back to the content browser, find a new created, right click it. Just want to see what it looks like. Have the skin. Okay, no skin. We might have to fix that. Okay, fine. So we're gonna go to asset export, and then we're gonna make it a FBX. Ecstasy full body. I'm gonna just put MH to keep it. Yeah, I made a Summer Walker chick because I was making on this one story. Might still go back to it. But export. Okay, export. Right. So now we're gonna go back to, and this is fine. We'll go back to MetaHuman. Right. We're gonna go. I guess we could keep that there. No, let's cancel. Let's cancel. Let's bring a new avatar in, right? 'Cause that's what we're doing this for. We're gonna put a new avatar in here. Uh, animation, MetaHuman, mesh. Nope. Ecstasy, full body. Put her full body in here. She ain't, she ain't gonna look like this, but whatever. We rolling. Now I gotta make sure that everything is tip of her nose, cool. They picked that up pretty decently though, I'm not gonna lie. Got her knees. Yeah, okay. Hips, wrists, elbows. Yeah. Alright. I'm rolling. I'm rolling. She looks weird right now. Don't worry about it. She's just a mannequin. So but we're just using her for right now. Can we use her actual body dimensions? So when we add the clothes in now, which I'm actually going to add the clothes in because I might need it later. Oh, do I still have? Probably don't. So I'm not going to worry about it right now. Uh, I'm actually going to. We're going to put the clothing. We're going to put the boom, boom, boom. Something like that in there. Now we're going to open that. Boom. Right? Boom. Now we're cooking. Now we're going to put this on our lady here. See how you see how it is when we have a little fun? Normal, roughness, metal. I don't know if the AO is in here. Go to the next thing. We're going to say full body, right? Is this supposed to be her? And now, I think we can edit this now, somehow. Haven't did this in a while, so please forgive me. Yeah, yeah. But now we gotta make this kind of work on her. And then we gotta get as close as we can, right? And this may not be her particular one, but we try to get as close as we can. And then it should fit right on her. Snugly. Just get it as close as we can. Right? We'll spin her around. See, look at that. Look at that. So we just try to get as close as we can. Maybe not totally right. And it should just fit once it'll read it and then it'll see and it'll try to do as close as it can for us. So now I think, like I said, oh, okay. It ain't much posing that it needs to really do. Just something like that. That looks a little better. Start pose. It ain't really much more posing she can do. I'm gonna just roll with that because it can let you pose so you can fit it even better. But I don't think there's much she can really do to make that look better. Yeah, so it ain't really much she can do. So we're just gonna confirm, and then we're gonna go next step, and we're gonna see what it does. Cause sometimes it'll fix itself. So see, it fixed. It did it. Ah, it didn't do it fully though. So now, so I'm saying. So that's the only thing. Now you gotta. I might have to kind of. What the heck is going on? I can't get close to her or something? Don't touch policy or something? Should be able to fit. Wish I could make her a little lighter. Whatever. Trying to make her, cause I can't really see fully. It doesn't look bad though. Look like it's on her. Not gonna lie, look like it's kind of on her, right? Like it don't look bad at all. So then, and I thought you could change the color of this, but honestly, let's see. Okay, so next thing we're gonna try to look for is some heels. But I probably should I do the heels now or should I do it later? So heels. Let's see. I'm looking at the different type of heels now. Okay, platform heels maybe. See if I put this in here. Stripper heels. Mm-mm. This might can work. So I gotta wait for it to download, but that's gonna be the next thing. But I think it covered her pretty well, right? I think it's on her decently well. Right, so now we got the heels. So now we're gonna do this. Go back to import, close. Oh, that was red. Okay. Shoes, right? Same thing. Shoes. There we go next. Let's go access the pose, the shoes. It's just sometimes it's hard to get close. So you just gotta kind of model the shoes to work. They got like a weird. Okay. So somehow get the shoes to work. And really just get as close as you can. Big feet looking at. This might be a better thing when you start pose. Now this is where we might have to move our feet a little bit. So you know what I'm saying? Gotta kind of make her fit the shoes. Ah, shucks. So we'll move you. We want to move her this up, right? Want her standing in the shoes. There we go. Start pose. Right? So you gotta remember to pick her. This is the tough part. I want to see how hills work. I don't never did no hills on here, so let's try it out. It may look jacked up. Oh, look at this. This is terrible. What is this? They could try though. They try to read it. I don't think it could. Watching this video. Yeah. So right now, what we're gonna do? We're gonna start with the club. We're gonna start with this, right? Just want to make sure I'm happy with how this look, right? Let's just shrink wrap this a little bit more. No, I didn't mean to do that. Ah, it's tweaking it. I should have just kept it where it was at. Okay, so it's on there as best as it can be. So now, right, and we're just gonna put some clothes on it at least. Just trying to remember how to finish this out. Export. Oh, Unreal. Look at that. I think I can put Unreal through here. Let's see though. I'm interested now. Do I take this back into my game for my character? It looks like Unreal is right here. I never did it this way. I think I used to do like FBX, but I think it's a better way now. We're trying to get to, importantly, send outfit to Unreal. You want to not send avatar. So send outfit to Unreal. Okay. Add to project, locate project. My project is uh, Unreal Robbery. Um, Lingerie 1. Send outfit. I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna do that though. I think I gotta unable to communicate to meta. I wonder. Add to project. Okay, project. Open. Okay. So now I wonder if I go to edit, right? Edit, plugin, meta. Ah, gotta figure this out. Boom, boom. All right. Successfully install package, but I don't think. What? Oh, yeah, that's what I want. It's telling us you select the robbery file, unable to communicate to MetaHuman. So this is not a problem to manage for you with the MetaHuman can't come. So I had to click the orange add to Unreal project when I ask. Okay, so let MetaHuman install the bridge. Completely close Unreal Engine. If it's oh, so I gotta close Unreal Engine. Okay. Oh, Meta Taylor Bridge. Look at that. Look at that, man. We learning. Learn something new today, guys. What I always do: show flag. If anybody knows the solution to this, landscape one. All right, so let's go back to my club. Bam, club interior. That's what Vince Carter did. Okay, let's try this out, guys. Right. So we're gonna go to send to Unreal. I think that should work. What? Once you're back in Unreal, we need to open Meta Taylor Bridge. That should be open, bro. Okay, let's try this again. Plug in Meta, Meta. Once you're back in Unreal, we need to open Meta Taylor Bridge and put into it into receive mode. Oh, okay. So I guess we got to do another step. I guess. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm moving this in a while. So edit, check edit plugins. Make sure Meta Taylor plugins enable. We start once you're in. We need to open the Meta Taylor Bridge and put it into receive mode. Leave Unreal open in receive mode. Return to Meta Taylor. But it's not telling me how to put it in receive mode. Okay, how do you put it in receive mode? How do you put it into receive mode? Like, bro, you gotta tell me how you put it in receive mode. The part I had slightly wrong before it is in receive mode, it isn't the plugin window. Editor calls it listening. The part I had slightly wrong before is the receive mode. Close the. Okay. Content browser. Find the. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. You guys are freaky guys. So. Okay. Find the metahumans. Ecstasy. Double click the blueprint. Look toward the top right of the MetaHuman Blueprint Editor. It's so much. Ah, receive. Now it's listening, and now send outfit. Ha 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 ha. Woo. Yes, sir. And now I'm wondering. Okay. Now I don't know. Now I don't know if it's gonna look right, but we attempt it. Look for the tour top of. Yep. Find a listener. Yep. Look at that. Threw it on her. Bam. Just like that. Now, am I probably gonna roll with this? Probably not. But look at that, guys. Threw some on her. Just like that, man. So we're rolling a little bit. So we're done listening right now. But I'm happy with it. Not super appealing, but it can work for right now until we find something better. Because we're gonna find something better. So now she has clothes. She has clothes. No more Diddy. I knew it, right? That's what the whole purpose was, to put clothes on. Okay. Now I want to try it again, but I want to try it with better clothes this time, right? So now I'm gonna find something better. That was my first time doing that in a long time. Right? We're up, man. Maybe we could find something better. Maybe we could do something like maybe we could do like a double whammy, right? So we do bra, oh, right? That didn't do nothing I said. Cause we want to give her like a better look than this, a little bit more. But she gonna be one of our main ladies. I'm not truly rolling with this, but it's decent. Like it gets you there. It's decent. Find some men fashion stuff. Let's do the guy, right? No, let's finish the woman first. Make sure she looks legit. I wonder in like Blender Kit, and they probably don't have it, but never know. Might as well try. See if they got any browse for free. Just want to see what it has. Yeah, I knew it didn't have no. Oh, I had a. See, this is nothing really, which is cool. Like if she's like laying down, but it's nothing that I need. But the dude probably got money. I do need that money. Yeah, so he got some money. I probably can use some of this like that, and I'm gonna put it on the ground. That's cool. We'll come back to you. All right. So we got the lady here. That's fishnets, maybe. Yes. Okay. Uh, let's give her like a little necklace. Go give her like a little necklace too. Okay. I don't know if they're. I don't think that's earrings. Okay. Next thing. Let's do. I probably could go to some of this other stuff too. So let's just look at the clothes real quick before I even men's clothes. Anybody know what's some men clothing brands? What's some men clothing brands? Do, the men still wear True Religion? Do y'all still wear True Religion? What a Pat and them be wearing? Huh? I don't think that's a. Is that a brand? What's the bedazzle shit that you wear? Street. Huh? Revival. Let's see. I know people love Stussy. Trying to find some clothes. Probably no niggas love Louis to this day. Um, what I'm looking for. Um, what do you guys think? Uh, Shirts. Just looking for stuff for this guy here. So trying to just think of like cool shirts. Chrome Hearts. I know people like that. Let's see if the so what are we gonna do? A graphic tee? What up? What up? What up, big dog? You ever seen my stuff since then, man? I'm gonna show you. This is my stripper here. So this is my club. That's why I'm looking for some clothes for my dog here. But yeah, here's my club for my story I'm making. So I'm gonna show you how I look inside. My boy in the building. So you haven't seen it since I made the inside of the club. So this is like the lobby. I still gotta fix this up a little bit. It's gonna be strip. It's kind of strip. Got the stripper pole here. Another stripper pole there. Stripper pole over there. Stripper pole over there. That's my stripper. That's gonna be the main character, dude. That's why I'm trying to find him some clothes right now. And I'm gonna find her something better. But yep, some stripper poles. We're gonna have a DJ right here. A couple strippers next to him. I appreciate it, dog. And then right here, this is the hallway area, and then this gonna be the back room where they start off at. So that's gonna be the back room. So right now I'm just trying to find some clothes for my characters today. But yeah, that's where the story gonna start off at. So and these are my characters. Ah, yeah, for sure, though. Hey, we gotta get back in we gotta get back in, man. I appreciate it, man. I'm trying to get better though, man. When I'm not producing, this is what I'm doing. Yeah, man, we gotta get back in and finish the Christmas album, man, and a couple other stuff. But yeah, this is gonna be the main character. She gonna kind of be like a setup chick, set dog up. So, but yeah, right now I'm just trying to make the find some clothes for the as cheap as possible, cause I'm not trying to make that. Yeah, let's do it, man. Appreciate it. Let's make it happen, man. Let's make it happen. I could look in here. I just don't like this stuff. Let's make it happen, my dog. Uh, street, graphic. Yeah, I knew this wasn't gonna have it. T-shirts. Yeah, I knew this was gonna happen. I'm gonna have to really dig, or I might have to just learn how to make my own stuff, and I really don't want to, but sometimes you got to, man. Might have to learn how to make my own stuff. So I might do that. Well, I ain't gonna say I might do it, but I might look up how hard would that be. It might be kind of hard, but hey, man, I gotta get due the chain too. What is this? Lame. Let's see like a nah. That's lame too. Uh, my dog got like tidy whities on. That's lame. Uh, kind of lame. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, man. Don't know if I wanna. Yeah, they don't got a lot of graphic tee stuff. Might have to make my own, bro. I mean, it may not be as maybe kind of hard. I don't know. Never tried that. Meta, I think it's called Meta. The website's called something. I forgot. I have to make my own stuff. Let's see, hoodie. Hoodie or like Supreme hoodie or something like Supreme hoodies. Nope, hoodies. Men. It's kind of hard. Niggas. Black washed. This does give you like a hood fit. Why not? Sort of look, try to pants out. Oh my god. Oh, you could get the jacket for the free ski. You could get the pants for the free ski, and you get the shirts. Might as well get the textures too. Whatever that is, and just get it just in case. Okay, let me go back to here. Maybe you can get the necklace and stuff from in here. If we get some necklaces from here, then I'm really not rolling. So, oh, you probably could get some. I think you're good enough. I think I'm rolling. Okay, let's see. Chain. So we can have something like that too on here. Okay. Earrings. Just seeing what I could get without having to pay. Uh, what else? Oh, they got the watch. They got a little watch. Okay. So they got a watch. We can do that. Got the Cartier watch. Green. Or let's say shades. Uh, pendant. I don't know if I spelled that right. They got some free pendants too. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we starting to work a little bit, a little bit, a little bit. So, chain, chain. Okay, so got some options. So what I'm gonna do is gonna get one more like type of I might do the set instead of this. And so I'm trying to. Huh, never knew we had that. Oh, I don't know what's going on, so let me know. Okay, that's hard. Oh, so it blacked you guys out. Okay, interesting. I'm gonna try this out. If I fail, I fail. This is all for the purpose of the stream. Probably should have never did that, but whatever. Um, okay. Um, nah. OBJ or FEX. Ah, okay. I'm messing up now. FBX, 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 texture. Okay, so now we're gonna try this again with the lady, right? So we're gonna go back to Metatailor. It's pretty cool though. So we're gonna go to design. All right, we're gonna import, close. Uh, go back to the Nations, and the human clothing. And what I'm gonna just do is, uh, I got all these files now. I want to move into here. Just want to get rid of that one of them. Give me a second to figure this out. That's what I want to delete. Okay, so let's try to bring this in here. So let's look at 13. Let's try this one out. So we're gonna try open 13. Okay, I'm rolling. Kind of want to try another one. Cancel. So let's try 35. Do I like that? Coach Carson. We'll bring you back up. See, it's crazy how they turn this into like white now. But the lady was in the white. She started. We'll figure it out. All right. Again, we're just trying to get this to fit somewhat on here. Back, slide it down, go back. And Let's see. Uh, let's just try this out. Let's see what that do. Oh man. Okay. It shranked it pretty good though. Hold on. Yeah, it shranked it pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. What am I looking for? Okay. Before I export, I want to go here. Go to. I don't want to close though. No, I do like it. Okay, her off of here. Okay. There we go. Receive from meta trade, right? Go here. Go here. Send outfit. Oh, I didn't mean to name it meta. Whatever. That's the only weird thing here. Let me go back. Hmm. Think of something I could do to like fix this though. I could do something like Even after that, it reverted back. I don't know why is it doing this part. The only thing I'm not quite understanding. Okay, a little better. So let's try that out. Forget it. So we go to export, Unreal, send outfit. Not the right one. Okay, so sent the outfit. Still looks weird, but whatever. So I sent it over. I'm not mad. She got a little clothes on, and not terrible. Not terrible at all, right? She got some clothes on. This is weird. I have to figure that out later. But I'm rolling. So now this guy. Let's see if we can figure this guy out. So we go to. I'm just going. Yes. I may not do him today. I'm getting tired. But I might try dog tomorrow. I'm glad we got the lady some clothes. I might export them though. And then after that, we'll move forward. I might try to export, bro. Export them. Geometry. Meta him as full body mesh. Export geometry. Yeah. Get out of here. And then we go to export documents, animation, mesh, MH. All right, so export. So I'm gonna leave it like this for so far. Not bad. Not mad at it. Not terribly mad at it. She looks okay. Kind of weird down there, but other than that, it's coming along. So, yo. So I'm gonna hop off. I'm tired. Gonna go to sleep. So, peace.